Well, good afternoon, class. My name is Mason Watt. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Blackfoot, Idaho. Um, and I'm a student here at BYU, Idaho. So glad to be in your class. I've been a healthcare administration major up to this point, but I've recently decided to make the change to switch to nursing. So wish me luck. Um, I'm feeling pretty good about the change so far. So if any of you have any feedback for me, I would greatly appreciate that on that decision. Like I said, just a little bit about myself. I'm from Blackfoot, Idaho, which is about an hour south of Rexburg. It's between Idaho Falls and Pocatello for anybody who's familiar with that area. I grew up on a farm. My dad and his brother farm together, um, and we don't have any animals. So we're not ranchers. We're just farmers, and we grow potatoes, of course, probably what you're expecting, wheat, and sugar beets. And so between those three crops, we were able to stay pretty busy. We're a pretty small farm, especially considering our area. There's some people who farm a lot more ground than we do. But we've been really grateful to have the things that we do, and it's a great place to live. I really enjoyed having the lifestyle of growing up on a farm. I think that's something that's always helpful to have work for kids when they're growing up. And so hopefully when I have children of my own, I can be able to incorporate that. Um, so I'll show you a couple pictures of my family. So my brothers and I would work with my dad. So here's a picture of my immediate family. So these are my parents, Jeff and Lisa, my older brother Camden and his wife Erica. They're actually in Rexburg as well. They live about 5 doors down from where I'm at right now. Um, and then this is me right here. I'm the second oldest child. And then this is my little brother Cade. He just started his first semester here at BYU Idaho. And then my sister Maggie, who's 17, and my sister Zoe, who's 11. And so that's my immediate family, and um, I'm actually engaged to be wed here in a couple weeks. And so here's a picture of my fiance and I. This is right after or during the proposal. So her name's Ashley Peterson. She's from Utah, and I just kind of met her through some common friends this past summer. We're getting married here in about a month, so that's kind of been what's new and up and coming in my life. But I think one of the things that I'd really like to take away from this class, especially as I'm transitioning to nursing, I think it's really important within recognizing the whole lifespan. I think one of the things that'll be most sensitive within my career will be the element of death. Um, and death can occur anywhere in that phase of the lifespan. And so I think something that I'd really like to take away from this class is having a better understanding and more of a sensitivity towards death. I know that seems a little bit gloom, but I really think that's something positive that can come from this class that would be beneficial to me as if I work at a place like an emergency room or an intensive care unit. I think having that a little bit more sensitivity and understanding towards that aspect of life would be really important for me to have. So anyways, I hope you appreciate this video, and I'm looking forward to meeting some of you through the same venue. I think it's rather unique. So anyways, once again, my name is Mason Watt. Good to meet you. Signing out.